All right, day 2 of the PSA project, week 1. So yesterday you should have filled out that worksheet that talked about your topic, your driving questions, and then which form of PSA video you're going to do. So make sure you turn that in before you start today. Okay, this is a project that you need to do things in order, so make sure you guys get those in. And then hop into lesson 2 today. All right, so lesson 2 is due tonight. All right, so you only have one day to finish this so that we can stay on track. So yesterday, you read about what makes a PSA effective. You found out your topic. You created 2 driving questions. You learned about the 5 parts to include in your PSA. And then you saw examples of 3 different PSA styles and you watched those videos. And then you turned in your worksheet. So today you are going to be researching your topic. Now don't let that scare you. We have it very easy for you to access and to get that stuff done. So don't let the word research scare you. All right, so in order to successfully complete your worksheet, you must find 6 points per driving question that you came up with. So you came up with 2 driving questions, 6 points. So you need 12 points on your worksheet today. Okay, at least 3 resources are required. Online resources should be a site that ends with .org, .edu, or .gov. Okay, so you can't use a .com to turn in as a valid source. If you use a .com, you must have a written justification to show the validity of the data that you found on that site. Okay, so we just want to use these to make sure that they're factual and they are accurate statements for your video. Okay, if you have someone in your household that is accessible to a paid professional in your topic, you may use this paid professional as a source. To know if they're a professional in your topic, they must be paid to know more about this topic or went to school with a focus in this topic. Each source you pull information from must go into the resource list on the 3rd page of the research worksheet. In the source box, complete and copy, simply copy and paste the URL, which is the web address of your online source. And in the justification box, write your justification only if you use a .com. Okay, so you're going to download the worksheet in Notability. You're going to find 6 points for each question. Then you're going to fill out that worksheet and turn it in. So if we go back to this worksheet, I'll take you through it. So you're going to write your driving question right here. So whatever you came up with yesterday, just paste it right here. And then you're going to find a website that's a .org, .gov, .edu, and you're going to find 1 idea or point per space. Okay, so whatever is a good idea, something that you want to use in your video, you're going to write it here. You're going to write 6 of them. Okay, anything else that you find that's super helpful on the site, go ahead, just chicken scratch it down here. The more information you have, the easier your video will be. Okay, so the more serious you take this, the easier your video will be, I promise. Okay, then you're going to do the same thing for your second question. Find your points here. And then you're going to use your resource list or fill out your resource list. So when you use a website, copy and paste it. Then all you have to do is paste it right here. If it's a .com, you're going to write your justification here. But if it's a .gov, .edu, you just paste it and you're done. Okay, then you paste source 2 and source 3. Okay, if you have more than that, you can paste it down here below, but only 3 are needed. Once you're done with that, go ahead and turn it in.